brain, saved by the pain, ain't but a thing.
And all these drugs, they be betting all us calling plays out the books. Little bit of prayer, hard work, that's all it took. All I want, W's and bankrolls, that's all I want. All I want, that's all I want. W's and bankrolls, that's all I want. Hey.
All I want is money, power, respect, though.
Mic check 1 2 1 2. All right, if my voice sounds bad, I think I'm getting sick. All right, so I am just showing you another Afro look. As you know, that is my signature look with my real hair. I am going to be using the Kiki Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. This is one of my top leave-in conditioners.
Baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon'
And then I'm going to be using the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard. I love this. I feel like this is my favorite brand when I have my Afro. I do use Eco Stylist still. I know a lot of people don't like it, but this is like one of my top products. Like when I want my Afro to be Afroing, and I just am gonna be doing that over and over and over again. So basically, I'm just gonna shut up and let you watch, and then yeah, I'll be back.
Every enemy listening, get off my dick. I got bad intentions, make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Peace in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, bitch, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades. The trenches where soldiers are made. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless, breathless. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless, breathless. You can't be me, and I'm not you. I've been taught to, and I'm not too. Feeling like bliss. I feel like I chew, wake up, I stretch, then I eat my food, that's you should know that. My boo from the bottom where the flow at. Came from studio apartments, no room in it. Now it's a house with a little welcome doormat. I wanna go on a ride, you wanna ride. Always be on my side, and that's for life. Compliment on my flaws, like that's alright. They all want what we have, and that's fine. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless, breathless. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless.
So what I'm doing right now is just like stretching the hair, running my fingers through my coils so there's no knots. I do that all the time. So when I pick my hair, you know, all the curls could just be popping, you know. Then I'm gonna shake it. So I usually shake my hair so nothing is matted up together. Look at me editing Tasha. Look at you, girl. And that's basically what I'm gonna be doing, running my fingers through the coils. Yeah, sometimes they hurt, girl. Look at my inches. Do you see the inches? My hair got longer than that now. Oh, look at you, girl. All right, Tasha, shut up. And now I'm just gonna be picking my hair. I do it in different process. Like I do it like semi-wet. I pick the hair and then I let it like dry a little. Then I pick the hair again. My hair always grows weird. Like the front always grows slanted. So basically that's what I'm doing. Shaking the hair, picking it out, shaking the hair, picking it out, and that's it. And that's all. Look at the curls. I'm telling you, this product is everything for my hair, right? Then I usually add a leave-in mask. I forgot the name of this. If I do, I'll leave it down in the description bar below. I forgot I used it. And just so my curls could be popping and shiny, because I really like when my curls are shiny. Okay, I'm not a type of person who could leave my curls for days. I have to keep refreshing it every day. But anywho, that's it. That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.